standing capital advantage suiting, and it's my job to get you past the 7, right? So part of what I'm doing is a lot of option stuff, and I have the options behind the paywall. But I'm going to do a video how, just like my Math Palooza video, where I do a bunch of problems. I'm going to do just break evens on hedging problems. That's buy stock, sell a call, buy stock, buy a put, short stock, buy a call, short stock, short a put. Again, like I said, I'm going to slow me down, press pause when you see it, do it yourself, and come at it with me. I'm not going to do the basics of break even. I'm not going to do spreads and straddles because we have other videos where they do that. If you like what I'm doing, join that membership, and we do every Friday night. We meet and go over options and all that other stuff. And I have all the videos where I go through actually doing the problems. So let's get into it. So there are a lot of ways to do option break evens, right? When there's stock in an option, there's a lot of ways. I try to keep it as simple as possible. I try to go as simple as possible when I do this. So whenever I see stock in an option, this is only for stock in an option, but my overall context of this kind of works. If you see the same thing, 2 buys or 2 sells, you're adding something, okay? If you see a buy and a sell, you're subtracting. So if they're same, you add. If they're different, you subtract. Remember that. If they're the same, you add. If they're different, you subtract. So now maybe write this down, right? So remember, so whenever there's stock in an option, I'm going to write it down once, and then we're going to scroll away from it. If you see stock in an option, it's stock, not strike, plus, see if we can do it right, or minus premium. That's going to be break even. Stock plus or minus premium. That's it. If they're the same, you add. If they're different, you subtract. So again, if they're the same, you add. Different, you subtract. So write this down, have that there, and then just keep remembering that. It makes life easy. You're going to get through the break evens like that. Okay. Now remember, if it's a call by itself, it's strike plus premium. Doesn't matter buy or sell. If it's a put by itself, it's strike minus. I'm not doing those today. Those are too easy. Since I'm here, start with the first one. In March, remember, press pause, go through it. So in March, an investor sells short 100 ABC at 50 and at the same time writes a 50 put for 6. So that's 2 sells, right? So I can write it down. Where are we? Where's my thing? So that's sell stock. We're going to sell ABC at 50. And we're going to sell a 50 put at 6. Since there's 2 S's, sell, we're going to add break even's 56. I'll help you out one more. Since we're short stock, we're bearish. So we're going to be bearish. Anything below the break even is a gain. Boom, on to the next one. It's that easy. Moving on. Not a lot of wasting time on this shit. We sold short. I'll type it out. It's going to take a while with this shit, but. So short. DEF at 30. And then we buy a 35 call at 4. Since it's a buy and a sell, we subtract stock plus or minus premium. 30 minus 4 is 26 is my break even. And since I'm short stock, again, I'm bearish. Boom. Bearish. Anything below 26 is a gain. Anything above 26 is a loss. Super easy stuff. Should not be having a problem with this. Remember that. Just keep doing it muscle memory, baby. Next, in April, remember, press pause, do it yourself, and see if you can go with me. We bought GHI at 45, and then we sold a 50 call at 7. Okay, remember, it's a stock plus or minus premium, not the strike. So 45, am I adding or subtracting? Well, they're different, so subtracting. 45 minus 7 is 38, right? Should be, right? 38, I break even, and since we bought stock, I am bullish. Boom. Should not be hard. We should be getting this down. Buy JKL at 60. Buy a 50 put at 8. Okay. So they're the same. 2 buys. I add 68, not brain surgery. 68 is my break even. Follow along, people. And I am bullish. That's my break even. Anything above 68 is a gain. Anything below 68 is a loss. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, good stuff. Next one. Sell short. Remember, press pause. Short 100 shares. Short at 35. And then we sell a 35 put at 5. Sell 35, sell 35 put. Since they're the same, I'm adding. So that's $40. That's my break even. And since I'm short stock, I'm bearish. Are we getting a pattern here, folks? Boom. This should be easy stuff. You shouldn't be thinking about this. None of those fucking T-charts. Just slap this shit up and move on. There's break even. It should be a 10-second question. Buy at 55. Sell a 60 call at 9. It's a stock. See, I'm shortening what I write because I'm getting lazy. 55, it's a buy and a sell, so I subtract 55 minus 9 should be 46. There's my break even. And I bought stock, so I am bullish. This is not brain surgery, folks. You just got to learn to do it. Boom, boom, boom. Done. Next. We're just hammering through this stuff. Number 7, shorting, selling at 40. And then we're buying a call at 3 to stock plus or minus premium. So it's 40 plus or minus 3. Since it's a buy and a sell, I'm going to subtract. 37 is my break even. And since I'm short stock, bearish. Come on, people. We got this, right? You should be getting the pattern down. You should be beating me to this. If you get it wrong now, I'm going to come over there and smack you in the back of the head. Okay, so now, buy 100 at 25. Buy a 25 put at 2. It's 2 buys. 25 plus 2, 27. Not even going to write this. 27, break even. And I'm bullish. Not horrendous, right? Boom, boom, boom. If you want to see how to do the rest of the math, join my goddamn membership, people. Okay, here we go. Customers sell short. Everything I do is super simple. I'm big on the simple. I am a dumbass, so I like to do stuff as simple as possible. I'm lazy. If you ever want something done efficiently, find the laziest person. They will find a way. So we're selling short at 50. And we sell a 50 put at 4. Since they're the same, I add 54 is my break even. And I am short stock, so I'm bearish. Remember, it's about the stock. Stock is king. Stock is everything, people. Everything's about the stock. Bullish or bearish is based on the stock, and the break even is based off the stock plus or minus the premium. Boom, boom, boom. We love this. We're going through this. We're knocking it out. Buy 100 shares at 70. The only thing is delayed is because they got to redo the annotation thing. So buy 100 at 70. I didn't even have to do that. And then I sell an 80 call at 10. To buy and a sell, people. A buy and a sell. So I'm going to subtract. So boom, 60 is my break even. Not so bad, right? 60 is my break even. And since I am long stock, I am bullish. Boom, boom, boom. Gone. Boom, boom, boom. Let's do options in my room. Okay, here we go. So now, buy at 65. Sell at 65 call at 7. Buy at 65, sell at 65 call at 7. Since it's a buy and a sell, subtract, that should be 58, right? If I did the math right, 58 break even, and I'm bullish. Boom. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You're going to get this muscle memory. I got a few more. Keep with me. Keep up with me, folks. Your job is to do it before I do. Press pause. Do it. That's right. Good job. Good job, Phil. Great job. Mary, awesome. Joe, you're off a little bit. Come on. Okay, let's get this done. Buy at 20. Buy a 20 put at 1. Since it's 2 buys, I add those fuckers, right? So here we go. 20 plus 1 is 21. Boom. And I'm bullish or bearish? Well, I'm long stock, so I'm bullish. Boom. On to the next one. Number 13. See, we're getting it down. We love this shit. 13. We buy shares. Bought at 55. We sold a 60 call at 6. Buy 55, subtract 6. That's going to be 40. That's going to be the grand total of 49. And since I'm long stock, I'm bullish. Boom. This should really be, and this will save your ass on half the damn questions. Okay. Just getting the break even is half the battle. Okay. Buy shares at 30. Buy a 30 put at 3. It's 2 buys, so I'm going to add. 33 is my break even. This is easy stuff. Don't wait for the shoe to drop. Boom. And I'm bullish. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go do some options in my room. Okay, here we go. Done. 15. We sell short. So we sell at 45. And then we sell a 45 put at 5. It's 2 sells, they're the same. So it's going to be a $50 break even. And then, since I'm shorting stock, I'm a bear, baby. Bear, baby. Boom, bear, baby. Good. Okay. We should be rocking this shit right now. So, at 35, buy a 40 call at 4. Buy and a sell, we subtract from the stock. 35 minus 4, 31. That's my break even. And I am bearish because I sold stock. Boom, boom, boom. Good. We're going. We're cooking with gas, people. We're cooking with gas. Number 17. Just keep hammering through. We're almost there. Don't stop, people. Don't stop. We got this. Buy stock at 40. Go through the fight through the burn. Sold a 45 call at 6. Look, I'm telling you right now, most of my students who go to my class, they say they get excited when they say option questions. Okay. They love it. I got it. Stephanie was on there. She was, I used to hate them 2 weeks ago. Now she looks for, when she doesn't see an option question, she is disappointed. Almost as disappointed as all my lovers when I was a kid. Okay. 40 minus 6 is going to be 34. Break even. What am I? Am I bullish or bearish? Boom. Bullish, baby. Bull, bull, bull. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Number 18. We're on to 18. We're getting there. We're getting there. I don't know how many I have. Okay, 18. I can't remember how many I made. We bought stock. I'm getting cocky here. Bought stock at 60. I sell. You should be too. Sell 60 call for 8. Since it's a buy and a sell subtracting, so that's going to be 52. And since I'm long stock, I'm quite the bull. Sammy the Bull Gravano. Love it. Raging Bull. Love it. Okay, good stuff. Number 19, we're still going strong. Buy at 50. Buy a 40 put at 7. Buy and buy. We know it's the same, people. You don't need me to tell you what this is, so I'm not gonna. Of course I am. 57 is my break even. And since I'm long stock, what am I? Quite yes. I'm a big ass bull. Good. No weak ass bears. We're a big ass bull. Good. Number 20. Sell. Stock at 45. Then I buy a 50 call at 5. Since it's a buy and a selling on a subtract, so that's going to be 40 as my break even. And since I'm short stock, I'm bearish. Boom. Next one. Ooh, this isn't a break even. I'll do this. We will do this, right? But we're not going to finish the rest because you have to join my club to do that. I'll have this video out within a week or so. This is part 1, what we're doing the break evens, and then the rest of it with all the solvings, just muscle memory, should be out soon. Okay. Buy stock at 50, sell a call at 50. So we're buy. I'm not even do all of them. I'm just going to do this one because I know you guys know this, right? Buy at 50. And then you sell a 50 call at 5. So my break even is 45, right? Because I'm subtracting a buy and a sell. And I am bullish. And just so you know out there, just so you get a little tease, the answer to this question is 10. But how the hell do you figure it out? Oh, I don't know, Ken. How do you figure this shit out? Well, the only way to figure that shit out is to join me in my class and join my membership. $20, you get all these videos. For 25, you get the one finra class plus all the videos. If you drop $50 a month, $50 a month, you're gonna get. Look at NVIDIA taking a hit. If you pay the $50 a month, you get the options class, the finra class, and then all the videos, including this one and all the one there's problem solving and everything. My option shit will change your life. Go. Don't forget to meet me every Tuesday and Thursday night on the tube of you on my live. Adios. Good night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this shit. And let's get out of here.